Listen.
Even if he qualifies as a state witness,
Mhm.
kung hindi niya naman magagampanan ang tungkulin niya under the program, pwede mo rin siyang alisin eh.
Correct.
So, the point, Mr. Chair, is they cannot even begin to be processed under the law kasi naglalagay po kayo ng requirement which has not been included by law.
Mhm.
Sino yung mag-explain ulit? Sabi?
May
Puta, nagiging tanga ang mga
May
DOJ
I be
dyan.
educated on that?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. I just wanted to make an attempt to reconcile the debate on this matter. There's actually no...
Nagiging bobo lahat ng Department of Justice representatives kay Senador Marcolita. Grabe yung talino ni Senador, no? Tingnan mo yung DOJ, puting-puti ng buhok. Hindi kaya si Senador Marcolita, anak ng kagwang.
inconsistency.
Ah.
First, it is correct that under Section 10, the law provides for the qualifications for a person to be qualified as a state witness. Nandun po yung materiality at absolute necessity ng testimony ng tao at corroborated po to on its material points by other witnesses and that he is not the most guilty. Okay. Now, under Section...
Hindi naman talaga most guilty. Sinong most guilty? Si, Diskaya. Nag-corroborate naman talaga. Yung mga pinagsasabi ng witness, si Diskaya, sino ba yun? Animal, nakalimutan na nga natin yung ibang witness kasi tinigil ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, anak ng kagwang, si Alcantara, di ba? At saka si Bryce Hernandez. Sino pa yung iba? Animal talaga naman. Si Gutisa, nakakalimutan na tuloy natin kasi walang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, natigil. Nagkunik-kunik yung mga pinagsasabi nila ni Diskaya. At ang tinuturong mastermind, Saldico Martin Romualdez. So, sinong palabasin ninyong mastermind? Diskaya, anak ng kagwang...
Section 5, which refers to the memorandum of agreement that has to be executed between the DOJ and the potential state witness. Nakalagay din po dyan yung necessary matters that should bind the agreement dito po sa Witness Protection Program. And under Section 5, letter D, nakalagay din po dyan kung ano po yung legal obligations and civil judgments or civil aspect of the case against him. Ang ibig lang pong sabihin niyan, kakausapin naman po siya, maari pong i-process yung application niya, but under the first statement under Section 5,
What specific provision under that law,
Section-
under that provision?
Section 5 po says
Ano nga,
that
basahin mo.
before a person is provided protection under this act, he shall first execute a memorandum of agreement
Okay?
which shall set forth his responsibilities, including the following.
Oh, ano
So
nga?
kasama po dun sa mga
Ano
obligations.
nga? Ano nga?
Namuti yung buhok kay Marcolita. Ano nga? Wala naman talagang nilagay dyan na dapat magsauli, anak ng kwanggulo. Pipilit nyo pa. Mali na nga. Halatang-halata na kayo. Ano nga? Wala namang masabi. Ito, tuloy, sino?
Ito po, to comply with legal obligations and civil judgments. So doon sa civil judgments po, this refers po to the civil obligation pertaining to the
May
crime.
civil judgment.
No. We are saying legal obligations. Ang basis po ng legal obligations
The basis of legal obligation is the law itself.
is the law itself,
Oh,
which
walang
includes,
nakalagay na restitution.
Patay.
Bakit mo ikokot yung
which includes
memorandum?
po other provisions of law, including the Civil Code on unjust enrichment. Kasama po yan. Every law should be read consistent and harmoniously
Paano mo nga
with other
i-apply
provisions
yun,
of the
even
law.
the civil code? How can you apply? Paano, ano yung i-restitute niya? Alam mo, magkakatalo lang tayo rito eh.
Tinawanan kayo ni Senador Marcolita. Puta, memorandum lang ipinangandakan mo. Anong susundin mo? Memorandum o yung sa batas? Yung memorandum, sarili nyong opinion yun eh. Gawa-gawa nyo lang yan eh. For the sake, kung meron kayong gigipitin, putang nagawa ni Bunying yan. Memo ng SOG yan. Pinag-usapan yung 1987 Constitution. May nakalagay ba sa batas na gano'n? Ang sagot, wala. Mga honghang talaga, nagiging ubob sila dito.
Hindi ho.
The DOJ
Let me
is in a position to even calculate how much the applicant should restitute before he can be processed under the application.
I'm making a distinction po between process and enjoying the benefits under this act. So, ipoprocess na po yan dahil matagal po naman ang paraan para malaman at matuntun ang lahat ng civil
wala
obligation.
Wala pa nga pong statement whether or not meron nga sila. Wala pa tayo eh.
Kailangan po natin makuha ang mga statement ng mga potential witnesses. Kailangan pong evaluate, kailangan pong malaman.
Doon sa,
kung ano po
doon sa
yung
memorandum na
lahat po ng
sinasabi mo, Yusek, sinasabi restitution?
Opo, kasama po.
Sinasabi dyan?
Hindi, ang word po dito ay civil and legal obligations. Understood po na ang legal obligations has many sources.
Saan
Kasama
manggagaling
po-
ang obligation? The law does not provide restitution in the first place.
Patay.
That is very simple.
Legal obligation po has a
Huwag
specific
kayong
definition.
mag-imagine ng argument, Yusek.
Huwag kayong mag-imagine ng argument. Puta, mga kalahi talaga to ni Bongbong Marcos eh. Mahilig mag-imagine eh. Tingnan mo yung tatay daw niya, lagi niyang kausap kahit multo na. Huwag kayong mag-imagine. Nakapulburon lang, anak ng Kuanggolo.
Magtatagal lang tayo rito. This is very
Correct.
simple enough.
Anyway, ang sinasabi ko lang
Kapag
po,
ka ba hindi provided ng batas, magiging reasonabling obligation under the provision you're quoting?
we are saying that legal obligations is defined under
You
the law.
cannot
And legal
even
obligations
you
includes
cannot
unjust
use
enrichment.
your opinion will even matter here. That's your opinion. Ang pinag-uusapan natin is the requisite of law.
Correct.
Thus, the maxim expressio unius est exclusio alterius ring a bell to you?
Alam po natin yun. Ang
O anong
sinasabi
ibig
ko po,
sabihin nun?
Ang what is expressed excluded is not included.
Kaya nga. You are including an opinion which was not expressly enumerated under Section 10 of law.
Hindi.
Ang sarap ng banatan, anak ng kagwang, oh. Huwag nang ipilit yung mga opinion nyo lang yan. Si Senador Marcolita kasi talagang stick talaga siya sa batas kasi abogado eh. Eh, dito tayo. Putangin na, bakit pagawa-gawa ka ng sarili mong batas? May batas tayo. Ito yung sundin natin. Pag sinabi ng batas, bawal lumabas, bawal ka lumabas, anak ng kagwang ka. Pag sinasabi ng batas, matulog ka na. Pambuhay. Talaisin,
We submit, Your Honor, that a witness can be processed under this program, but he cannot receive any of the benefits as stated in Section 5 unless the matter referring to legal obligations is reduced into writing in a memorandum.
So,
Yan
Mr.
po ang
Chair,
position namin.
the opinion of the USEC is trying to supplant the very clear and categorical provision of law.
correct.
We submit, Your Honor, we're just reading the text of Section 5. Your Honor, may I also add, we are trying to
Wag na sir, nagiging bubo tayong lahat dito dahil sa inyo.
get to the bottom of the investigation.
You are adding an opinion and you are supplanting the basic provision of law. You cannot do that. And sabi pa nga natin, the spring cannot rise higher than its source. Tama?
Opo.
Paano?
Tahimik
Pati
na lahat.
opinion mo, gagamitin natin. Sana wag ganun para hindi na tayo magtagal.
Correct.
Paano nyo mapoprocess ngayon ito, Sec. Vida? Kung ipipilit nyo halimbawa, tingnan nyo hanggang ngayon, what is the status of the application, for example, of the Discayas? I am not defending them. Kaya ko lang po pinipilit ito because kagaya ng sinabi ko, gusto nating ma-identify yung mastermind. Kung ayaw ninyong i-identify yung mastermind, that's a different matter altogether. So, kahit na wag nyo na siyang i-process, okay lang. Pero kung gusto nyo maliliit na isda lang, kaya ayaw niyang i-process, nasa sa inyo yon.
Kasi, Senador Marcolita, yung mastermind, papag-usapan natin mamaya, si Palaka. Kaya ayaw nila si Diskaya gawing state witness kasi kanta na talaga si Palaka dito.
Nasa sa inyo yun. Kasi dito sa inyong presentation,
checkmate na sila dito,
yung
kunti na
Office
lang.
ng Secretary, yung law enforcement program ninyo, yung percentage of successful prosecution, meaning conviction vis-a-vis acquittal, is 90.14%. Pero yung percentage of successful prosecution in cases with witnesses covered by the program, it's 95.3%. And then the third, percentage of successful prosecution in relevant cases handled by the DOJ prosecutors, 80.5%. So dito mas mataas talaga yung success if you will use the WPP. Hindi nga ako, nagtataka nga ako kung bakit averse kayo dun sa pag-process dun sa, samantalang wala namang nilalagay na restitution, ipipilit nyo para lang hindi sila makover ng
Witness.
program. So ano mangyayari sa batas natin? You will insist on an opinion supplanting the requisites categorically provided by law. Ay, hindi talaga makakapaprocess. So pinipili nyo yung gusto nyo i-process. Paano natin? Sila lamang ang nakapag-identify initially ng 17 congressmen. At doon sa kanilang mga testimony, lumalabas na rin ang pangalan ni Saldico
at
and
Romualdez.
Martin Romualdez. Ngayon, kung ayaw ninyong bigyan sila ng protection under that law, kaya siguro umayaw na sila sa ICI. So what is their status now with the DOJ? Are you insisting that they restitute? How much? How do you compute it?
If I may, Your Honor.
Oh, yes.
If I may, Your Honor, to be consistent, the Department of Justice.
No, you are not consistent from the beginning. Huwag mo sasabihin yung to be consistent.
Yari yung bundan. Mata. To be consistent. Huwag mo nang sabihin consistent ka, anak ka ng kagwang. Kasi simula umpisa hindi ka consistent. Pahiya yung budlat ng mata. True pa rin ni Baka ito eh. Okay talaga.
There is no consistency here. Magkano ang gusto nyong restitute nila in the first place?
Okay. Wala pa po sa estado na ganon.
So mga tweet, hindi mapoprocess talaga yan.
Pinoproseso po namin, Your Honor, yung kanyang application.
How can you process the application, Mr. Chair, if you are providing another requisite which is not even written in the law? You are imagining something that is not within the law. You are Department of Justice. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. You're supposed to be the chief.
Pwede ho bang magdagdag, Your Honor?
Ano idagdag mo, anak ka ng kagwang? Tunaw na tunaw kay Senador Marcolita.
Sinabi sa inyo ng mga Diskaya. Na-determine ninyo kung magkano ang kinita nila.
Diba? Kaya po, Your Honor...
Hindi nga, nakuha nyo na ba? Did they admit to you na sila ay nangulimbat ng ganito karaming pera? I have to explain myself.
Opo.
Hindi ko dinidepensa ng mga taong yon.
Opo.
Ginawa ko lamang yon doon sa nalalaman ko na ma-identify natin ang pinaka-mastermind dito. Yun lang, wala nang iba.
Opo.
Kung gusto nyong ang ma-identify, puro butete at saka sapsap, bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo.
Ganto niya puro butite. Unay na, Senador Marcolita, yung palaka, sarap ay identify.